In this video, I will show you how to download TV4 Play on your smart TV. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you have a smart TV and you want to download TV4 Play on it without Google Play Store, here's what you should do. The first thing is to connect to the internet. After connecting to the internet, you're going to go over to this application called Downloader. Now, Downloader is an application I use to install apps to my smart TV without Google Play Store or App Store. So how does it work? You come over to Downloader and launch it, and here's how the interface is going to look like. So Downloader helps you to search apps from across the internet and install them or download them to your smart TV. And if you don't have Downloader on your smart TV, just go ahead and check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get the application to your smart TV. So all you have to do is to search, to create the application after watching the video, and then you launch it. And once you launch it, here's how the interface looks like. So once you are here, what you have to do is you type in the name of the application you are looking for. And in this case, we're looking for TV4 Play. So TV4 Play. I'm just going to quickly type in the name of the application. Now, for the sake of a good search, it's always good to type in the right keyword for when you're typing. For instance, here, instead of just typing TV4 Play, you can type in TV4 Play for Smart TV, so that you can specify to download that you want the application for Smart TV. So don't just type TV4 Play, type TV4 Play for Smart TV. So for the sake of time, I'm not going to type all of them. I'm just going to type in this and ensure a sample. So when you type in that, you're going to search, and here's how it's going to be like. Once you come over here, here's the result page. So you just have to, there will be many sources where you can use to download the application to your smart TV. You just have to go through them and see which one is going to work for your smart TV. So here's the application. You can go through all of this to see which one works for your smart TV. But I'm just going to, for the sake of time, I'm just going to use the first one. You can go through the other ones to see. So if I click on this one, it's going to bring me here. As you can see on my screen here, this is the web version of Google Play and not the application. So I can just click on install, and the application will be installed or downloaded to my smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful.